In Python, how do you convert seconds since epoch to a datetime object? The time module can be initialized using seconds since epoch. Is there an elegant way to initialize a datetime.datetime object in the same way?
Datetime.datetime.FromTimestamp will do. If you know the time zone, you could produce the same output as with time.conTime. Or
second since epoch to datetime to stuff time.
From the docs, the recommended way of getting a time zone aware datetime object from seconds since epoch is Python 3, Python 2, using pyths. Note that datetime.datetime.FromTimestamp timestamp and timestamp fail on Windows for dates before January 1, 1970, while negative Unix timestamps seem to work on Unix-based platforms. The docs say this. This may raise value error if the timestamp is out of the range of values supported by the platform seek_time function. It's common for this to be restricted to years in 1970 through 2038. See also issue 1646728.
For those that wanted ISO 8601 compliant, since the other solutions do not have the T separator nor the time offset, accept Mistro's answer. Note, I use from timestamp because if I used up from timestamp I would need to chain on .as timezone ... anyway to get the offset. If you don't want to go all the way to microseconds, you can choose a different unit with the ISO format method.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.